Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fana Feriminanto, and I will do a segment about metodologi penelitian data collection technique. The NPM is 223111035. I am from class SE 2020A. Next, the meaning. Data collection techniques are techniques or methods used to collect data to be studied. This means that data collection techniques require strategic and systematic steps to obtain valid data that is also in accordance with reality. Several data collection techniques. Number one, we have questionnaire. Data collection techniques by giving questions or statements to respondents. Questionnaires can be printed or online. Number two, we have interview. Data collection techniques that are carried out face to face and conduct questions and answers between research, researchers and respondents. Interviews are often used for preliminary studies or to find out more in-depth things from respondents. Number three, observation. Data collection technique used by systematically observing and recording by symptoms that appear in the research object. Remove this. Something that must be considered when collecting data include one, data is usually determined by several research variables. When all the data is collected, the next step is to pro- process the data so that the collected data has meaning because it is processed systematically. Number one, the processed data is used and selected based on data that is related or relevant of the concept, event, or object research. The data can be in the form of letters, numbers, symbols, images, and others. After that, data collection is carried out to obtain the information needed in order to achieve the research objective expressed in the form of hypothesis, namely a temporary answer to the research question. The data that has been collected is determined by various variables in the hypothesis and collected in the form of a predetermined sample, and the sample is used to analyze the research target. How is data How is the data collection process? In data collection techniques, of course, there is a process that must be done. The process must be carried out systematic, systemat, systematic, systematically and directed so that the data collected can be proven true. Because basically the data collection process in this data collection technique must later be able to prove the hypothesis of the data whose result have been collected by the research. What are some examples of data collection techniques? Example of primary data include in a census of mother and children in a sub-district. Employees in the sub-district will take data from the RT or RW head, where the data is obtained from the number of mothers and children in a household in the area. Then the data is used as primary data. Example of secondary data include there are records or documentation in a company in the form of attendance, salary amounts, financial reports, company publication, company tax reports, and so on, which are obtained through bookkeeping or management, and so on. Application to data collection techniques. The first one is Excel, and number two is Python. Number three is Oracle Analytics. Number four is Google Data Studio. Number five is Redas, and the last one is R Studio. You can download it from Google. It's free. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.